the exercise movement of the hands. On the one, rotation of the wrist, one direction, and the other direction. And from the body away from your hands. Playing piano one way, play piano the other way. And use your fist for snake. Hold your wrist. You can do it that way as well. And remember to balance with the other. And self-massage. Okay. And thumb kneading in central. And a little bit on the top. And repeat to the other side, to the other hand. Like this. And on top. And shake hands as well. And while you're doing it, you can shake your hand to get it going.
Yeah.
Okay?